my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Kader on a beautiful day. In this video today, I want to teach you a strategy to make $10,000 per month online. Now, this is a powerful strategy. If you part of my channel for a while, I made a video about 6 months ago when I first started the strategy and I was doing $1,000 a month. And I titled that video, How to Make Your First $1,000 Passive Income, because I was doing 1,000. And now, 6 months later, I'm recording a new video. And in this video, we at 10K per month. So I want to show you the strategy inside of this video, exactly how to do 10K per month using membership site, a powerful strategy. Let's get into it. My name is Kader, so welcome to the channel. If it's your first time on my channel, so definitely click the like button down below and subscribe, turn on notifications so you can always be notified when I drop new content, because I make videos about entrepreneurship, business, how to make money online, stuff like that. If that stuff interests you, keep following. Let's jump and talk about the strategy right now. You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you can change your life. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna break it down for you in 5 simple steps. Now, if you wanna watch me with a walkthrough, in the first video that I did when we was doing $1,000 with it, when we just first started, I'll show you the steps to do it. Now in this video, I will, if you want to see in the computer, check out that video. But in this video, we'll talk about the step and break down, 6 months later is doing about 12K per month in residual income. And we'll talk about the steps for you to do the same thing if you wanted to do the same thing. My videos, I want them to be something that can help you if you're looking into creating the same thing. Okay, so how can you do the same thing for yourself? Number one thing is your niche. Okay, you got to figure out what niche you're gonna do it for. Now in this membership site specifically, we into the wedding niche, which is something that I started doing with my wife. That is into the wedding, the DIY niche. That's where we started this membership site. Now we started multiple one in that video, but that's the one that I shared with you, so I want to share the results of that one with you. This was into the wedding niche. Now guys, you can make money online for any knowledge that you have. Let me get your mind going a little bit. Let me ask you a few questions. Anything that you have passion or interest in. Do you know how to play an instrument and you know how to do it real well? Do you enjoy music? Do you know how to play the guitar? Do you know how to play the trumpet? Do you know how to play the trombone? Do you like to work out? Do you like, to go to the gym all the time? Are you a gym rat? Do you understand how to work out? Are you a vegan? Are you passionate about veganism, eating healthy and raw food diet? Do you love crochet, stuff like that from home? Do you love to cook? Do you know how to cook? I'm just gonna get your mind going on some mundane stuff. Do you know how to build online businesses? That's another niche. So there's so many different niches, guys. It doesn't even have to be something crazy specific. I see people make money online nowadays just sitting in front of a camera and eating food, and other people watching them eating and saying, oh my God, look at this grease, look at this bacon, look at this crazy. So guys, you can make money online almost anywhere, but I want to show you strategically on how to do it by creating a membership site. So once you figure out what's the niche that you're gonna go in, once you figure that part out, okay, what you're gonna need after that is gonna be traffic. That's gonna be your second stage. That's what we have to go through, which is getting traffic. Now, with getting traffic, one of the main places that I use is Facebook. When you're thinking about traffic simply means people, not the traffic on the highway you're driving to your job. It's how can you get as many people as possible that have the same interests as you or the same passion as you in a group setting, in a place where you can get all of them together, which is where Facebook groups comes into play. So what I did with my wife, we went to a Facebook group. We started checking on Facebook to see, do we have other groups where people already clustered themselves together? And yes, we find so many groups where people cluster themselves together. Do you like to coupon? That's another group. That's another niche. Do you like to go on vacation? Are you a parent right now? Are you taking care of your kids? Are you married? People have group for married couple. Guys, anything that you have interest or passionate about, you can monetize with this strategy that I'm talking about, okay? So traffic, we get all those people together in that one space, in that one umbrella, in a group where they can share and talk about the things that they love. Whether it's sharing about marriage, how much you're passionate about your spouse, what can you do to do better with your marriage, how can you take care of your finances in your marriage. If people can get advice into that and they come together and they enjoy that, you can monetize that. The key is to get that traffic together. Now, I have strategic way on how to do it, not to wait for Facebook. You could do it for free or paid. Me, I personally choose paid. So what I would do is run a Facebook ad for $5 a day and get as many people as Facebook can give me that have interest into crochet or interest into working out or interest into cooking. And then I build that. It might take you a little bit of time if you're doing $5 a day, but if you want to increase it to faster, it might take you a lot shorter. Okay, so now once you get the traffic, now we're going to talk about the third thing, which is the money maker, which is your website, which is your membership site. Now, I use a site called Kajabi. There's other site you can use like ClickFunnels, but Kajabi works really, really well. It's just seamlessly. It's been working really great for me. Now, if you want Kajabi, I'm going to put a link down below. You can actually get a free trial for it. And if you want to go through that process that I'm explaining to you, you could do that. But I use Kajabi. And then once you have that, you create the membership site. It's really easy. You go to the process of setting up the site, what you want on the site, what type of content that you're gonna want on the site, you know, what type of site that you wanna create. Is it gonna be a free, and then every month after that, like in our case, it's free for the first 3 days, and it's $20 every month for that membership site. So it's a very the interest in the there's no entry barrier, so it's really easy for anybody to get started because it's free. But when people come inside and they see the value that we are sharing with them, it's like, oh my God, like $20, I'll definitely stay, because this is worth so much more to me, because we over deliver on the value. That way we can keep our members paying every month. So you could do the same thing. When someone come in for free, you give them a couple of free training. If you're doing a membership site about, you know, how they can cook their own food without, you know, preservative, without, you know, cooking naturally, maybe, you know, cooking great recipe. Now you can give them 10 recipe. Let's say, you know, for the first 3 days, you give them the first full week recipe for free. You know, what can they do for this whole week without having to eat bad food or going to the restaurant or going to the fast food place? They can do that really on a budget, and how to eat healthy on a budget. And then after that, you have, you know, hundreds of other recipes that's gonna come through the pipeline that they're gonna want. Guess what? They wanna stay around the community, build a community around it, stay around the membership site and learn more from you. So that's how you're gonna build, that's the mindset you're gonna build the membership site in. Okay, the fourth thing you're gonna need is a gateway. Now if you're doing this for the first time, you're gonna need a way to get paid. You're gonna need an account with either Stripe or PayPal. If you're doing ClickFunnels, you can actually accept your own payment. There's so many different other gateway, but if you're using, if you ended up using Kajabi, is gonna be Stripe or PayPal. It's free to get a Stripe account. It's free to get a PayPal account. You just open up your account and you're good to go. And it's peer-to-peer, and you get paid right away. Like, it's not like, oh, you get paid next month. Once the person paid, although I'm showing you here, we make that on a month-to-month basis, but it comes every day. Like, it really comes in every day. If you see here all those 20s, all of this is coming in, all these payments that's coming in right here is coming every single day. So it's not like, man, you have to wait to get paid. No, you get paid every day as you start building that traffic, as you start getting members in the group. And then once they come in, you funnel them to the membership site, to your membership site that offer them something for free, and they can get to keep it long term. Okay. The last thing you're going to have to worry about, which is number 5, is to create content. So on a monthly basis, you can decide, hey, I'm going to release a new course for you guys on a monthly basis. Like in our case, we release what we call guides. We release those guides on a monthly basis. Like, we know what our people want. Like, for example, we deal with wedding designers, and we know those people, they want to learn how to take their brand on the internet. Maybe this month we teach them, hey, this is how to make your brand with YouTube. Next month, this is how to build your Instagram. The following month, hey, this is how to price your item. This is how to charge clients. So things that I know those people are gonna want to know. So every month I go and immerse myself and learn the information and teach them, or either from experience or go learn it and teach them and bring them the stuff that they need. And that way they keep getting value, and you become a source of value to those people. And that's what's gonna make it worth it long term for you. You gotta think about how can you make those people's lives better. How can the value that you bring into their lives is gonna change their lives. It's gonna do something for them, and in return they're gonna happily pay for the service that you keep providing them on a monthly basis. So this is exactly how to break down the process. Now, I have more intricate details on how to do it. If you would like for me to coach you on it, leave a comment down below. Say, Kader, I have a passion into something, I have interest into something, and I want to create a long-term business. Because what we did with her was creating a long-term business, because you're going to be able to build. Once you have the traffic flow, you're not just going to be able to get paid off the membership side, because we get paid off other places also, because we allocate the whole traffic and teaching you all that stuff. So if you want to learn how to build a fan page, your Instagram, and all of that stuff, and make money and monetize them and have the membership side as another supplemental income, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know. Also, go watch my full training. I have a 1-hour training that breaks down everything on how to do this long-term business. It's a breakdown training. I'll show you exactly what to expect and how to do it. And I'm looking for people to mentors. I only want to work with people that has passion and people that's looking to build something long-term. Not like, oh man, I want to make a quick dollar, I want to make a quick bucks. This is for someone who's like, you know what? This is what I love to do, because that's my passion, and I want to monetize my passion. Once you have a passion, and there's a lot of people who are interested into it, we can work together and monetize it. And I offer a coaching. I'm currently taking students for coaching right now to teach them exactly how to do this stuff, just like I taught my wife, just like I taught a few other students, and they're rocking it. She's rocking it. So if you want to be one of those people, definitely let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about it. It's a process. Once you go through it, you see the results. That was your boy Kader. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later. Go click right there, and you're going to see my first month, how to create $1,000 with membership site and how to build it for the first time. And then click on the next video. I'll show you some stuff on Amazon. Anyway, I appreciate you. See you guys later. Bye.